Have you built the right team around you and around your business? Look, I did this for many years in my life. It was one of the biggest mistakes I did. I didn't surround myself with the right team to succeed in my business. You can have the best product in the world. You can have the best service in the world. You can be the best in your place, in your industry, in your country, at what you do. But if you don't have the right team around you, it will be very hard to succeed. You can get this, you can get success, you can achieve some success, but you can never be on top of your game without the right team. And if you're cocky and think that you can do everything alone, by yourself, you are wrong. There's not many people that can do everything alone. You need the right team. You need to figure out what your skills are, what you are best at, and what you need to outsource or get somebody in. You need a good team around you. The entrepreneurs that get the most success, they knew how to build teams. They knew how to build leaders. They knew how to build a business around them with other people, not with themselves alone. So what you need to do right now is figure out, do you have everybody around you in your team that you really need to have, or there's somebody that doesn't fit in that you need to get rid of, or you need some other skills? You need the right team if you want to succeed. I can promise you that I did it wrong for many years, and I lost big times, and I learned from it. And the time after, I made it right, I got the right team, and we succeeded. So good luck with it, and remember, subscribe down here and ring the bell so you get notified every time we upload a new episode.